I'm so excited because today I'm gonna to show you guys this is Shao sofa. The name very special, right? Because you can see our backrest part, it totally inspired by the Shao. So that's why you will see the details, the piping, and the colors we did, and we got very good feedback from our UK customer. So this is one, even we didn't launch, we got the order from our UK customer. So after we launch sofa, lounge chair, and dining chair. For sure, for the dining chair and the lounge chair with swivel. And then we also launched the same collection for Shao sofa and Shao bed as well. So you can see the back part, we also have the same element of the Shao. The details you can see is similar like our backrest of sofa. And the piping, the same. So I believe like this collection, we have a sofa, chair, and lounge chair back. It should be got very good feedback from any of Euro customer. So if you like it, please let us know. You can change color as well, don't worry.